Oh. Look what we did to that bologna. Okay. Good work.
There's only one pickle left.
Wait till we get this done, then we'll see.
Can I do it?
Go.
Share a little tea.
I got it, Grandpa. Got some pickles again.
No!
I hear the guts. I hear the guts.
He's trying to quick pitch the guy because the guy put his bat down and then he throws it up there. And I thought he hit him, but it didn't really matter.
Yeah, I didn't think of the quick pitch
That's what it looked like.
to just slide a strike in.
Yeah. Why you threw it behind him?
There you go.
Want to try the red?
Want to try the red again? Sure.
What are you telling?
Thank you.
Hey, pick up show your fingers to the camera.
Nice.
Yeah.
That Skylar must like you.
Yeah. Treasure spot. What about Mom?
That helps.
Thank you.
Yeah, get me with my mouth full.
Why? Is there something about
Yeah, I'm reading them before
you're
I-
supposed to say?